It's finally stopped raining, and I'm just going to do a quick update on the asparagus. There's another spear coming. Some more there. This is my favourite bed of asparagus, by the way, just in case anybody didn't realise. Can't have grown very much because there's been that much rain and damp weather. It needs the sun on it to make any difference. But there's some movement here and there, which is a good sign. The purple spears ones are the Argentine from France. And the other variety is 157 green asparagus. Asparagus ferns, I enjoy the wind and the rain. I'll have a little walk, have a look at the rest of the garden. I'll take the asparagus out of the trays because we're getting waterlogged. The shallots are going down well. And there's a couple of growth on the other bed of asparagus as well. You can feel the rain starting. It's a while since I've done any work on the actual land, for obvious reasons.